Hello, welcome to this video. In today's tutorial, we are going to look at white spaces and escape characters. Okay, that's what we have in our browser when we refresh it. And what if we added, we put space? Because you can see that here, if I do this, let me come in between ICT clubs, you see, and then I save this and refresh. You realize that there's no space between ICT clubs and between ICT and clubs. So if I come here and then I hit space button and then I go right away and save by pressing Ctrl+S, I come and refresh. You see that the white space is in there. Now, what if I want more of these spaces and maybe I do hit the space bar like five times, and then I go ahead and save. Okay, I save, I come to my browser and refresh. You realize that there's nothing. I refresh, there's nothing, there's only that one space. Okay, so I'm going to use special characters called the escape keys. Yeah, so I can do that. I can copy this is called an escape character. Okay, I copy it, I come and put in between ICT. Okay, and then I can paste it there. I can make 5 of them. That's 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5. Alright, so and then I go ahead and save. Okay, I go ahead and save. I can even delete these spaces when I used to hit. I save that. Then I come to my browser and refresh. You realize that there is space. Okay, so if the more I add, the more the space will expand. If I add more 3 and then I save, I go to file and save, then I come to my browser. Watch what's going to happen here. I refresh, you see that there's more space. So that's how escape characters work. You can still go ahead and add you can even go ahead and add what we call the trademark symbols, because these escape characters work on anything. So maybe you want to write a trademark symbol, you can still come and then get this. Okay, you copy it and then you come here and then you paste Ctrl+V and then you save that. You come to your browser and refresh. You can see that symbol is right here, trademark symbol is right here. Yeah, so there are a number of symbols you can use, but for today we can focus on this few, and you can do research and find more symbols. However, I can also add this copyright, because this is also commonly used. Yeah, commonly used symbol. If I copy that, I come maybe here and then I paste it as well, and then I save. After saving, I come to my browser and refresh. You see there's a copyright symbol right here. Okay, and perhaps this is also another confusing thing, this angle bracket, like greater than symbol. It's also commonly used, but sometimes when you're writing HTML code, it may confuse the browser, because depending on how you write it, whether it's a closing tag like you've been seeing, you see, like here in HTML, whether it's a closing tag or it's a paragraph tag or something. So for you not to confuse the browser, you can simply just come and then type that, hit it there, and then you save. Okay, Ctrl+S. When you come to your browser and refresh, you realize that our symbol of greater than is actually there. So that is it, guys, for today's video. You can as well do more research and get how you can do other escape characters, because there are many, but not only that. But I'll keep it short for now in this video. Let's catch up in the next video.